There's no water and no ice, and I've already verified that the lines, water lines in the fridge are not frozen. Trace the water line, turn it off. You're still gonna make a little bit of a mess, so have a towel ready. The water inlet valve are gonna be somewhere in the back here of the refrigerator on the bottom. So remove this panel. It's gonna look something like this. Hopefully you have a new one. Mine uses 1/4 inch socket. Now, I do suggest you turn yours off. But it's technically not necessary. There will most likely be a little horseshoe clip. Pull that out, push up right here on this. There, then pull the hose off of it. And do the same for the other side. Remember which way goes which. And like I said, it's gonna make a mess. I did go ahead and unplug mine. Now, mine has these zip ties holding the plugs on from factory. All right, now the hose here is the hose that comes off the filter into the valve, which you can't see. It's the same, it comes off the same way, but it is behind it. Come on. I cut my fingernails. There. Pull the clip out. Squeeze in and pull. All right, and you got to remember which one goes to which. So we got the new one. Does not include the little horseshoes. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. Install the horseshoe, pull on it, make sure it doesn't come out. And I put it in upside down. Shoot. All right, there we go. Now, it's easier to do this part next. Plug those in, and that's why I went ahead and unplugged it. Don't want to risk zapping myself, especially when you're dealing with water. All right. This one went on the right side. This one went on the left side. Okay, put the clips back in. Test. Test. All right, so we now have switch replaced. we'll go back there. All right, now plug it back in. Turn the water on. And be sure to watch it for leaks. Make sure it's not going to leak. Oh, and put this back in. Put the cover back over it and put it back in position. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. And our verse of the video is found in John 4, verse 14. But whosoever drinketh of the water that I shall give him shall never thirst, but the water that I shall give him shall be in him a well of water springing up into everlasting life. That's Jesus speaking. And if you want to find that living water, read your Bible, specifically the New Testament, which is the Christian age. And that's where you will find the living water, and it will change your life. All right, thanks for watching, and God bless.